If you're comparing Remitly and Wise, it's important to understand that while both services allow international money transfers, Wise offers a broader online bank account experience, while Remitly focuses primarily on remittances. Wise gives you a multi-currency account where you can hold and manage funds in dozens of currencies, get local bank details in multiple countries, spend abroad with a linked debit card, and send money internationally. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate and charges a transparent fee on top, so you always know the exact cost. This makes Wise ideal for larger transfers and for users who want a global account experience. The main limitation is that its delivery methods are usually restricted to bank-to-bank transfers, meaning your recipient generally needs a bank account, and some transfers may take longer depending on the country and verification requirements. Remitly, on the other hand, is designed for sending money to friends or family abroad, with flexible delivery methods such as bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. It offers Express for fast delivery at a higher cost, and Economy for slower, lower cost transfers. Remitly supports many destination countries and payout types, making it convenient for recipients without bank accounts or for those who need cash quickly. The trade-off is that Remitly does not provide a full multi-currency online account like Wise, and its exchange rates usually include a markup in addition to any transfer fee, which can make the total cost higher than expected. So, which one is better? If your goal is to have an online global bank-style account, manage multiple currencies, spend abroad, and send money mainly to bank accounts, Wise is likely the better fit. If you primarily want an easy way to send money to people abroad who may not have bank accounts or need flexible payout options, Remitly is the more convenient choice. Always consider your sending country, the recipient country, the payout method, and the total cost, including fees and exchange rates, to determine which service gives you the best value. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer and online banking reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.